Hello, Mr. Mecha. Hey, dude. What's up, boss? I had the same tool last year, but why mine is not cutting like yours? I have been watching you using this kind of tool, and it looks so easy. And believe me, when I have mine, it is not that easy. I am having a hard time using this tool, especially when I go into cut font. I haven't received those kind of comments, those kind of questions on my videos, and I think I have video related to this tool, but I am not sure if I spend enough time talking about those blades. And it's not a secret, my friend. If you have this tool, congratulations. You might pay for this between $340 and $380. That's the price from the store, but I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper on Amazon, eBay, even on OfferUp. They have a good deal, and they have used one too. As you can see, I had two. Why I had two? And you see both of them have regulator. I had two because I used one to cut foam and the other one to cut like metal, wood, and plastic. And put regulator, my friend. The PS should be between 80 and 90 pound of pressure. So I don't recommend you to put more than that. You can search this tool by typing this on Google search on your mobile device on your computer, PTS 1000. You will see a lot of this kind of tool in there, a lot. The price might be different. Just search for it and read all the review. It is a good tool. I like it. I like it, my friend. And you have been seeing me using this one a lot. So why it is not it's not cutting like this one? Well, it is so simple. Why it is not cutting like this one? It has to be with the blades. You can see that place in there. That was a saw blade. You see, look like a knife right now, but before it used to have teeth. So I use it a lot, and I sand it, I sharpen, so that's what it make look like a knife right now. But it's working awesome. I use these blades. You can buy these blades, Home Depot, Lowe's. There are a lot of places when you can buy it. Saw. I like the Milwaukee brand because I don't know why I used to buy like DeWalt, but I like this one. And you can see it had T in there. If you are trying to use one like that, like this, it's not going to work. Believe me, if you're trying to cut foam like that, it's not going to work. It is not going to work. You will be having a hard time trying to cut up small pieces of foam, and you will able to cut it, but it will be hard. So what do you have to do? Look at this one. It's the same tool. Sharp. You have to sharpen. PTS 1000. PTS 1000. It looked like a knife, sharp in there. And I haven't sharpened for a long time ago because it's still cutting good. So I will show you how easy it is. You haven't seen me using it before. But look, I just connected. It had to be between 80 and 90 pounds of pressure. You see I cut that 1-inch foam. It's 2 pounds of density. And see how it cut. Awesome, my friend. This tool, believe me, it's awesome. Now I will try to cut with one, the other one that it doesn't. It's sharp. It's the same exact one is longer than the other one. It is hard to cut it. It is hard. Like I said, you might be ending cutting, but it will. It's not the same. It is not the same, my friend. So I just remove it, and I will use the other one. Easy. So simple. So I'm going to give you an idea how you can sharpen the blades. You can buy those blades at Home Depot. There are a lot of places, like I say, a lot of places. And you can get it cheaper. You just have to sharpen it. You can sharpen those blades in a stone. It will be harder if you do it this way, but in case if you don't want, you can afford a grinder, you have to do it this way, or you can do it this way too. You can use a sandpaper and do it that way, or you can do it like this, sandpaper, but sharpen it by hand. I'm going to show you the easy way how you can sharpen. This is grinder, both of them are grinder. One is faster than the other one. I'm going to use the slowest one. The small one, it is so fast. Sometimes if you never use it, it's hard to control it. That's what I'm going to use this one. Before you start sanding, make sure to remove any flammable liquid like gasoline, thinner. If you have around you, put it far away from you, and then you start sanding it. The disc that I'm using is 36 grain, but later I use a 80 grain. With this tool, it is so easy to sand it. I'm gonna show you the whole way how you can do it. I just giving you an idea how you can sand it. The same blade, but you can see it right there. This is a 12 inches long blade. You can use 10. I prefer using this one. And you can see the only difference between that one and the one what I have is one it is sharp and the other one is not sharp. You will have to spend time in that process, but as soon as you sharpen it, you will have a cutter for a long time. So that's how I did, and I just showing you how you can do it. If you have this tool, congratulations, my friend. It's a good tool. Just make sure to sharpen that blade enough to cut foam. Thank you so much.